very realistic about the timeline, the materials, it was just an open, honest, frank discussion, and we felt really good about moving forward with them, and so we did.
John put a lot of time into putting the schedule together. So I knew exactly who was arriving.
What struck me most about Brindabella was their professionalism and how caring they were about the workplace. Day one they walked in, the first thing they did was cover every floor to dust-proof everything.
But John and his team have a really great customer service ethic and they're very supportive.
From the beginning, Brindabella gave us a schedule, a timeline, exactly when things would happen, and everything just happened exactly on schedule, which was great.
From day one, when we first met John and his team, it was the professionalism, the detail, the upfront information we got, and the plan that they outlined. Like, they stepped us through the entire plan for every single day.
They were all very professional, very skillful, conscientious, and really interested in their work and took pride in doing a good job. So I felt like I could trust them.
It's just, everything was very seamless. Everything finished on time. They cleaned up after themselves each day. It was just lovely to work with them.
The guys were great. It was actually lovely to have them in the house.
You could see that going with John and Brindabella, we would get a good job. We knew from day one we would get a good finish and what we wanted.
I would definitely recommend Brindabella. If you want somebody who's going to care about their work and is going to care about you, then Brindabella's a good choice.